So the doctor prescribed 18 cubic centimeters of some drug based on the ratio that we're given, 2 cubic centimeters per 15 pounds. How many times does 15 pounds go into 120 pounds? 120 divided by 15, that's like 40 divided by 5, that's 8. So it goes in 8 times. So 2 cubic centimeters, 8 times, that's 16 cubic centimeters. So now I can say that the doctor prescribed 18 cubic centimeters, but should have prescribed 16 cubic centimeters. And it looks like the question wants us to figure out what percent is 18 greater than 16. Well, in terms of an actual number, 18 is 2 greater than 16. But what is 2 out of 16? In other words, what's the context here? Is 2 a lot? Is 2 not that much? Well, it's 2 out of 16, which is 1/8. Now, they wanted it as a percent. Well, 1/8 of 100 is 12.5%, and so I'll go with that as my answer. Now, if you're looking for a more methodical way to solve this question, you can use the change factor method, which I teach in my book, where you'd say the actual prescription of 18 cubic centimeters is 18 over 16 as much as it should have been. So 18 over 16, that's 9/8. And so we want to know what percent extra is it when you get 9/8. So a change factor of 9/8, we want the percent change. All you have to do at that point is take 100 as your base, multiply that by the change factor, so 100 multiplied by 9/8, and then subtract back out the 100. And that will give you the percent change. 9/8 multiplied by 100, that's like 9/4 multiplied by 50, or 9/2 multiplied by 25, or 9 multiplied by 12.5. 9 multiplied by 12.5, that's like 9 multiplied by 10 plus 9 multiplied by 2 plus 9 multiplied by half, that's 112.5. Subtract back out the 100 and you get the correct answer, which is 12.5%. If you found this video useful, go to quantreasoning.com for a lot more where that came from. You should also click that like button and let me know in the comments below what you'd like me to make future videos about. And of course, if you haven't yet subscribed, go ahead and do that and click that bell below so you get notified about future videos. See you next time.